Welcome to the squad. Are you ready to make learning fun and exciting? Do you want to build your child's confidence to help them to reach their full potential? Well, say hello to the Study Squad's newest edition, Thrive in 5. With Thrive in 5, your child can consolidate key skills taught in the classroom and at home, with just 5 minutes of focused learning each day. The Thrive in 5 content line covers maths and English from years 1 to 6. Each year group has been split into terms to cover key learning from autumn, spring, and summer. Designed by expert educators, these engaging, bite-sized workbooks
are aligned with the national curriculum,
making them the perfect tool to keep your child on track throughout their primary education. So let's meet the team. Across the Study Squad's Thrive in 5 range, your child will become familiar with our friendly and helpful characters. Say hello to our trusted Safari guides, Anika and Hanko for years 1 and 2,
and Gerhard and Carly for years 3 to 6.
Throughout the books, your child will feel like they're on safari as they spot our bespoke safari animals along the way, including Horace the hippo and Zora the zebra. One learning companion that appears on nearly every page is Sid, our trusty stick insect. Sid helps to consolidate key concepts by reinforcing your child's prior learning. He deepens their understanding to ensure that their learning sticks. You can find him in the Sticky Knowledge section with a meaningful activity for your child to complete. With Sid by their side, your child will feel more confident every step of the way. All it takes is 5 minutes a day. Spark a love for learning with short, structured activities designed for self-led learning. Our Thrive in 5 English workbooks allow children to progress at their own pace by reinforcing essential English concepts. Every week, your child will independently master concepts in reading, spelling, grammar, punctuation, and writing to strengthen what has been learnt at school and at home. Day 1 is dedicated to reading, where your child will read an engaging and age-appropriate short text before using this to answer skill-specific questions. Your child may recognize our reading dogs from our Totally Pawsome reading gang, who have appeared in our Eager Readers and Stats reading workbooks. Well, they're back to help your child to feel more confident in answering comprehension questions. On day 2, your child will focus on spelling. The high-quality activities will expose your child to a range of vocabulary, including the common exception words. As your child confidently progresses through the workbooks, they will learn familiar spelling patterns, spotting those words that are excluded from the rules. These are the spellings that tend to catch people out. Days 3 and 4 focus on grammar and punctuation. Your child will enjoy completing a range of fun, curriculum-aligned tasks to deepen their knowledge of the English language, and they will recognize key components of writing. They will feel success week after week. On day 5, your child has the chance to be creative and to showcase the skills that they have learnt throughout the week. Your child can use the carefully selected prompts to write an effective piece of writing or spot specific features within a text. Alongside the core skills of English, each workbook includes a range of challenges to extend your child's understanding. Thrive in 5 is here to make learning fun, motivating, and purposeful. Thrive in 5 provides your child with the opportunity to take ownership of their education. Our Safari quests can be found at the end of each week, where your child will complete fun challenges to earn rewards and to relax, making revision more motivating and enjoyable. Our self-assessment lions encourage your child to be independent and reflect. Each day, your child will color in a lion based on how they understood the activities. This simple system helps them to identify strengths and pinpoint areas for improvement, building confidence along the way. It also acts as a valuable record for you as a parent. Our lions help you to support your child's progress by highlighting topics, skills, and concepts that need extra practice or further clarification. Helpful knowledge organisers are included in each workbook. Your child can flick to the back to find handy hints where they can support their learning with key English skills. With accompanying answer books to support parents, Study Squad Thrive in 5 makes learning a stress-free and rewarding experience for you and your child. With Thrive in 5, learning goes beyond the page. Exclusive QR codes provide instant access to additional digital resources, including concept videos delivered by experts and a wide range of interactive Go games to reinforce learning. These teacher-created resources will help your child to strengthen their understanding and make their learning more engaging. It's quick, simple, and effective. Just scan, learn, and succeed. Simply scan the QR code using a mobile or tablet to access our concept videos. All of the concept videos are designed and delivered by subject specialists and experienced teachers. They make concepts crystal clear by modeling step-by-step explanations. Independent learning is encouraged by giving your child access to pause, rewind, and play tools. Your child can review concepts at their own pace. Whenever they need a little extra support, time and time again, they can scan, learn, and succeed. Make learning exciting with Study Squad's Thrive in 5 Go games. Created by expert teachers, these interactive games, which include multiple choice quizzes, drag and drop activities, and matching pairs, will help your child develop and practice while having fun. They will want to keep playing them over and over again. Study Squad Thrive in 5 includes access to many curriculum-aligned Go games to reinforce learning in an engaging and interactive way. Simply scan the QR code to learn and succeed. Thrive in 5 is just the beginning. With a whole range of workbooks for different skills and key stages, you can support your child's learning journey every step of the way. No printer, no problem. Order printed workbooks from the Twinkl store with free shipping on all orders. Study Squad's Thrive in 5 delivered to your door, making learning simple, structured, and stress-free. Study Squad, the complete revision toolkit. If you enjoyed this concept video, make sure you head over to our landing page, where you'll find videos from fully qualified teachers about English, maths, and a whole range of foundation subjects. Twinkl Concepts. Concepts made clear.